Is Localized AVI plugin orchestration reporting the AVI Plug Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To kick off the AVI Plug Library Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the AVI Plug Library, an AVI Video Plugin module. It manages the unmanaged parsing of AVI containers and facilitates the orchestration of video bitstream data link manifests for media playback and editing. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture, then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for AVI Plug Library DLL are stable. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with AVI Plug Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like AVI Plug Library DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for AVI Plug Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped AVI Plug Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.